What up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you once again on something's wrong with my damn shifter. Man, it's killing me. Anyways, I think I already know what it is. It's probably the shift linkage. Basically, when you put the key in, turn the car on, and you pull the lever, it doesn't sound like it's want to go in place. So basically, ain't no reason to even play around. We know it's something with the shift linkage. So let's grab all the tools, get up under here, and let's get this fixed. I tried to reach under there. You see my dirty hand? I tried to reach under there to see if I could see, but you can't see shit with these Envoys, with these, what do they call them? The little step sides. So I'm gonna have to lift this car up and really get under there, and let's get it right. So, all right, y'all, let's get to it. We out. Yeah. And here we are under the car. Oh, transmission. You are being wrong to me. And there's your problem right there. So basically, it's just something simple. Just a little breakage. If you look at the little rubber seal there and this right here, the little clip, it just didn't pretty much just came off. Let me zoom out so you can see it. Only thing is, I gotta get up under here far enough so you can really check out what I'm about to do. Oops, I'm gonna kick in my basket. Probably so. Anyways. So right here, boom, boom. It then came off the slot right there, as you can see. Right here. Came off. So it's something simple. It's not nothing major. Goes back on there, as you see. But look, the rubber seal didn't broke. And it's normal, it happens. You know what I'm saying? Originally, you're supposed to change this whole shift linkage, but looking at the linkage itself, it looks fine. So all I'm gonna do is just pretty much change the seal. I'm at the little bushing, I think this is called, or whatever, the linkage bushing or whatever, but it holds it in place. It's not bushing, I'll find out the name of it before I finish, because I know I'm bad with the lyrics. Sometimes when it comes to the parts, but I just be wanting to make sure I get it out for you guys. Here's a simple kit you can buy over at AutoZone. Here's the number on it right there, 14057, and it's just a replacement kit. Look like it'll come in handy. It'll do its job. So we're gonna go slap this on the car real fast and get us on our way. All right. Yes, sir. Let's do it. I actually wish I had me a stand so I could show you guys as I'm putting it on. But what I'll do is I'll put it on, pause, put it on, and pause so you guys can see it. Okay, here we go right here. I already put the piece on. Now this is the main part you got to make sure you remember. You see the big side? Make sure you put the big side on the side that's supposed to connect to right there. Make sure it's on the big side. Because what you're going to do is you're going to put your little clip piece inside on this side, and once you put the clip piece in, it's what's going to grab this when you lock it together. And then this is just going to be basically the little rubber seal that's around it for insulation or whatever. So let me snap that on, and then I'm going to let you see that. Okay, you see? I didn't snap the back on right here. And snap the back piece on right here, which is the seal. Now you should be able to clip, the clip should be able to snap on inside there right here. So you just take this, push it really hard, and there you go. You hear the snap. Now it's on there. Now me personally, I would like to use something a little stronger. I know that might work, but I feel like that's not gonna stay permanent. But oh man, I guess it is, because the other piece that was on there wasn't nothing but a little rubber seal, and then the rubber seal locks in. Oops. The rubber seal locks in on here, and you just slide it on, and it had the same type of piece that clips on. So yeah, we're gonna see. So you know, that's about it. We should be good to roll. We better roll out again. And if we have an issue again, we now know the problem. Super easy. So So it's a MoPro coming at you once again. Peace.